What's that? What's this? I notice you left your thinking cap behind. Try these instead, they're good for the brain. Gone fishing rabbit. Oh, well, well, well. Oh, how very thoughtful. Plain, drain. Mountain, fountain. That might be something. I think I'll try the celery. Sausage, bicycle, toothpaste, beach. Wait a minute. Beach. Beach, that's it, that's it. Ha ha! I have to find an elflower. I need to make a call. Destroy us all? Huh. Turntables are no good. Turn it into a rack. Pull it up, turn it into a roller rink. So, I see you on that turntable. Hey, George? Whoa, who are you? Oh, just the devious friend you need. In need of an ally. I despise steam engines as much as you despise rails. So, I have a plan that you will like. What makes you think I will intervene? Your promising reward. Huh? What reward? The turntable. Just think about it. Turning into a roller rink, George. You'll be able to roll around on it for hours and hours and hours. For hours and hours and hours. I will love it. Good. Now stop daydreaming and listen to my plan. Oh, right. What's the plan? Boss? Boss? Hey, Gordon, are you hearing any of this? None of my concern, Edward. I must find out more. What's Diesel planning next? And what would he want with George? I want you to destroy every last set of buffers on Sodor. One of them will lead to the Magic Railroad. You are the perfect steamroller for the job, George. When do we start? Never. Immediately. Are you prepared? Oh, yes, boss. Nothing to it. Let's go. Perfect. I knew that, George, and I could count on you. Oh dear. Diesel's using George to run the magic buffers. I must warn the others. Wait, Edward. Warn them about what? About Diesel 10's plan, Gordon. I'm sure to not let everybody down. Guess he's old, but useful after all.
Well, it's a summer Sunday and I'm under a cloud that shades my happiest blunder. For catching the wave of another, this easy life. Oh, I never thought that I could ever give my life to one girl. Feel like I'm washed up and unaccomplished. I guess all too soon. Thinking of swimming on a Sunday, to a lady more fair than the spray and the cool.
Oh, that's my cell phone. Hello? Junior? Junior, is that you? Oh, hi, cuz. Are you in a tunnel? This isn't a very good line. Junior, where are you? Oh, I'm in paradise. I just got on Cloud9 and here I am. Junior, listen to me. You've got to come to the island of Sodor right now. Now? But I'm waiting on the perfect wave. Oh no, you're not. You're coming here. You have to help me find the source of all our family's gold dust. What is the source? That's the trouble, Junior. I haven't a clue. And I've used up almost all of my gold dust too. What? Then go to Shining Time Station first. And in my signal house, in the box, under the staircase, you'll find my emergency whistle with the last of my supply. Please take care of this, Junior, and don't talk to anyone about the buffers. What buffers? Shh! This is a really bad line. Hello? My cell phone's not working properly. Junior, you've got to come here right away. I'm counting on you. Hello? I want my money back. Must find that engine. I must warn Billy. One day. Shining time? What does that mean? Rup? Do you want me to get off here? Rup? Where is everyone? What have you brought me here for? Oh, that's gonna leave a mark. Oh, maybe it's in here. Oh, cake. Ugh, that's not cake. Oh, how cute. 5 little grass figurines. Oh, hello? All done with that. Gotta get to the island. I gotta get to Cousin. Hey there. Who are you? I'm Lily. Who are you? See, Junior. Did I drop some sunglasses when I came in here? I don't know. Ah, well. Might as well use some more of this stuff. See you, Lily. What is this stuff? Mind your attitude, George. I'm just having a rest, that's all. Just like I said, boss, nothing to it. You're not finished yet, George. What do you mean I'm not finished yet? Those were the buffers that led to the magic railroad, right? No, George. I want you to destroy every last buffer on Sodor. Oh, boss. Now, George. On my way, boss. I like my old job better anyway. Say, George, what do you want, Lost Bucket? I'm busy. Well, do you really think Diesel's going to give you that roller rink? Yes, he promised it to me. Now go away and let me do my work. Don't you have your own work to do? Not really, but just a word of advice before I let you go. Make it quick, Edward. You can't stand around all day, you know. Temper, George. I wouldn't dream of it. But I've learned a lot a long time ago, even before I arrived on the island, is that you can't rely on every engine you meet. Diesel may just be using you for all I know. I help the big engines up hills all the time, and they still think I'm old and useless at times. But the lesson here is, George, is that you can't always put faith and trust in anyone. I'm off now, so I just wanted to let you know. Goodbye. What kind of steam has gotten into him today?